Truly a wow. The open floor plan. You have been looking for perfect home for entertaining high quality throughout. Move in and relax and enjoy the fabulous kitchen. Quartz countertops, Italian tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances, hardwood floors, gorgeous baths, spacious bedrooms, wonderful basement playroom, and the property over an acre is amazing. Enjoy working on cars, then you will appreciate the beautiful detached 2-car garage. This house is perfect. Everything is new. Plumbing, Anderson windows, electric, heating, water heater, flooring, roof, convenient to all. 2 miles to Taconic and set way back off the road. Definitely a very special home waiting for you.